Welcome back. So we have a referral from another garage. They just sent the customer to us for a PO 420 code. But if you look, the catalyst, the substrate is all blown apart. This car has 160,000 miles on it, so we said, hey, has this vehicle ever had a tune-up? She said, I guess so. Well, I guess so doesn't really tell me if you did or didn't. This is going to be the third catalytic converter if you just do simple math. The factory one, this aftermarket one. Now we're putting another aftermarket one on. Something's going on. So Angel and I are pulling a tune-up apart, and we got a spark plug coil that's burnt completely all the way around. All right? And it's not evident on any other cylinder. So even though her car wasn't running bad enough to log a misfire, boom, one coil pack causing a problem. So when I always tell you it's cause and effect, something is causing the catalytic converter to fail or causing it to have an efficiency code. And if you don't have the issue resolved before the catalytic converter substrate deteriorates from having too much of one or not enough of the other, or a misfire, it's too late. So this just shows you the proof is in the pudding. This is your culprit here. So at 160, we're recommending replace all the coils. I'm not sure if the customer's budget allows for it. Let me see one of them spark plugs. I would say they've probably been changed. I don't know what this white powdery stuff is. It's got to be from the fuel. This is from the fuel she's using. I mean, they're so lean. I've never seen spark plugs that lean in a customer's car. Like, beyond lean. So she may have another issue here too, because that is so lean and not what I expected. So it's either from the fuel that they're using in this car, or this car is that leaned out. We're gonna dig a little deeper. Thanks for watching.